up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing good. Just making another quick video to show the new best diamond farming method in Pet Simulator 99's tech update. The reason I'm making this video is because I've seen other videos on YouTube so far, and I don't think they really explain how to get the most gems or the most diamonds out of the last area of the tech world, so I'm going to be going over that in this video. And then really quickly, the reason you see that I have a magnet flag in the thumbnail as well as so many placed here, is because along with farming in the last area to get some of the best gems, to earn some of the highest gem rates you can in the game currently, what most people are doing, especially since there's that happy computer event going on where you can get a huge happy computer from any egg, as long as you're just hatching any egg in this tech world update world 2. So what a lot of people are doing is they're putting the magnet so that they could keep getting the coins from the last area and then keep just auto hatching eggs as well, like this. I've seen a method as well where if you do it with an auto clicker, it will actually make each hatch like a second faster, which I guess ultimately gets you a lot more hatches if you let an auto clicker run on your PC overnight or something like that. But now on to the actual explaining. I kind of wanted to come over to this egg area anyways, just to not have so much sound from my pets breaking all the breakables over there. Yeah, basically though, I was gonna explain this portion, which is what I was talking about when I don't really see many other videos mentioning this, this is just kind of my loadout for like basic egg hatching. Like if I'm just auto hatching, I want to have like a decent lucky eggs. I want to have the huge hunter because after all there is that huge computer event going on as well. And then I was gonna say though, the more important thing is, yeah, if you want coins and diamonds, you could have that, which is what I'm running. But the most important thing probably is gonna be like the treasure hunters at this current point in time, even the one after this, if you could get it, which I think would be 8. So if you want to stack treasure hunters, I was going to explain and say that that's probably even better, because what I've been realizing from this last area and these new treasure hunter enchants and things, like the potions you could stack and the fruits as well for more drops, is really good. So for example, we also want to make sure we're using a good treasure hunter potion and probably at least these max and these max, so that we could get, well, this is just for coins, which I want right now, but this one, the pineapple I'm talking about specifically, because increases drops by 1% as well as having the magnet going and getting the coins and auto hatching at the same time. I was gonna say that like I sold a lot of stuff already, which is how my diamonds or gems value went up so much. The thing is though, look, if we see here, I'm getting like so many things like these keys and just like random charms, random gifts all the time from just farming in this last area, getting enchants all the time, and like really expensive potions that we could sell as well. I sold the potion already, but I had that one that was like 300,000. Forgot exactly what it's called though. But anyways, so I'm trying to explain that you mostly want to get all these drops, and then you can start stacking all of these usable items, which I don't really even touch or use personally. So look, see these piñatas? I'm never gonna touch them. I could go sell them for like 200k in total. I could go sell this for like almost 250k already. I could go sell this for 60k already. And I already sold like a ton of these stacks of items. So this is the main point of this video. What I'm trying to explain is that for example, look, almost 300k here that I could go get. So yeah, and in my experience, if you actually sell it for what I think it's called the RAP or the RAP value is showing here, then like if you actually sell it close to what they are selling for each, you can actually sell these things, like especially these gift bags and stuff, for really quickly. Like you can sell them really quickly, get your diamonds. Like maybe some of you watching, like I was thinking before, like you're thinking like, oh, it's gonna take me like forever to get these crystal keys, to sell these crystal keys for like almost 200,000, because no one's ever gonna buy all my crystal keys. Like let's say you sell them at 14,000 each, but the thing is, if you sell them at 14,000 each, I've been selling stuff like stacks of items like this like instantly. So if you just sell it like a little under wrap, like you can sell stuff like pretty fast. So you'll get your diamonds pretty fast, even if you're just trying to farm for the items, which is what I'm suggesting to do, and then sell them at the auction or at the trading plaza. So yeah, that's the whole main point of this video. Oh look, see? Oh wait, these might be the crystal keys I crafted, but maybe I did get them from farming with the magnet. But anyways, so yeah, if you're free to play, then the enchants you might want to go might just be like treasure hunter, critical, maybe like a fortune or something like that. But this is just the loadout I'm running for the current huge hatching, as well as just getting as much currencies and items as I can from the last area. So hope this helped you guys out. I would say if you want the most gems and diamonds possible, to just keep stacking those treasure hunters and maybe like a few criticals or something. I think that would be pretty good. But yeah, just wanted to point that out, and that's how you could make like millions of diamonds or gems in Pet Simulator 99's Dream Tech Robot. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.